Hello guys, welcome to how to fix stack. In this video guys, in this short video we are going to disable the quick access from the Windows. So simply open this PC or the file explorer, and you can see here I don't need this quick access here. I have to select this PC and then select the other options, but I want to disable the quick access. So click on this PC, then click on file option here simply, and click on this option, change folder and search options. You can also search here like change file and folder. Okay, this is not coming up. You can go this way. Okay, and you can select this option, open file explorer. Now select this PC, and you can also clear the quick access here. Okay, then click on apply, and you can untick this option, show recently used folder in quick access. Click on apply. Now click on OK. Now you can see, let me close here. Now you can see clean setup I'm getting here, and there is no quick access in my Windows. So hope this short video is useful for you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.